In this video, I will show you how to screen mirror or screencast a MacBook to your LG Smart TV. Now, first things first, you want to make sure that both your MacBook and your LG Smart TV are both connected to the same Wi-Fi. So you want to head over to the settings of your LG Smart TV at the top right corner of the TV. So just use your remote control and then come over to the settings icon over here, click on it. You just want to scroll down until you get to network over here, click on it. And from here, you want to make sure that your LG Smart TV is currently being connected to a Wi-Fi network. Now, it can either be a wired connection that is an Ethernet or just a Wi-Fi network. In my case, you can literally see that it is actually a Wi-Fi network, and I'm basically being connected to Redmi 12 as my Wi-Fi in this particular case. Now, the next thing you want to do is to come over to your MacBook, and on your MacBook, you want to make sure that you're also connected to the same Wi-Fi that your LG Smart TV is being connected to. So in my case over here, you want to go over to the Wi-Fi icon at the top right corner over here, click on it, and then you want to make sure that you're also connected to the same Wi-Fi. You can literally see my MacBook is also being connected to Redmi 12 over here. So make sure that both your MacBook and your LG Smart TV are both connected to the same Wi-Fi. Now, once that is done, you want to come over to the home of your LG Smart TV, and from the home, you just want to scroll down just like so, and then you want to scroll over to AirPlay over here, click on it just like so. Now, you want to scroll down to AirPlay and HomeKit settings over here, click on it, and then make sure that Apple AirPlay at the top over here is actually turned on your LG Smart TV. Now, once this is turned on, you can now go over to the home of your LG Smart TV and then just stay on the home while you come over to your MacBook, and then you want to go over to the control center at the top right corner of your MacBook over here, which is basically this icon. Go ahead and click on it just like so, and then you want to go ahead and click on screen mirroring. You can literally see the screen mirroring icon over here, which is basically two boxes stacked upon each other. Go ahead and click on it. Now, automatically your MacBook will start to look for available LG Smart TVs you can actually connect to. Now, you can literally see my WebOS LG Smart TV over here, so I'll just go ahead and select it just like so, and automatically you'll be asked to enter the code that is being displayed on your LG Smart TV over here on your MacBook. So I'll go ahead and enter mine, and once you enter the code that is being displayed on your MacBook, your LG Smart TV will start displaying everything that is being displayed on your MacBook. So you can now go ahead and start playing games on your MacBook, and playing music, and they will be displayed on your LG Smart TV as well. Another thing you can actually do from the control center of your MacBook is to simply go ahead and split your MacBook screen so that your LG Smart TV can now be used as a second screen for your MacBook. And to do that, what you simply want to do is to go over to the control center of your MacBook again. So go ahead and click on this control center, and then you want to come over here, click on screen mirroring over here. And now, instead of selecting mirror built-in retina display, you want to go ahead and select use as separate display over here, and automatically your LG Smart TV will be used as a second screen for your MacBook. So I can go ahead and start doing different things on different displays. I can even move widgets and displays from one screen to another, and if I also want to move it back, I can just move it back to my other screen over here. So basically, that is how to screen mirror or screencast your MacBook to your LG Smart TV. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.